Which way? Okay, go. Look at all this. Wait for me. Ooh, I love these. I love these. Can't wait for them to clearance out so I can come get some. I like that. I love the green. Ooh, these are pretty. These are pretty. For $5? Not bad. Yes, honey? Really? Oh, wow. These are some great stocking stuffers.
Oh, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Like this. I can make this.
Okay.
Open? I'm sorry. Let me see it. Okay.
Oh, no.
LOL doll, yes.
Oh, no, open it.
Don't open it? Okay.
Right here.
Okay, ma'am. Whatever you say. Oh, look at these. There's candles. This is pretty. $5. These little pouches. This would be nice for a guy who stuffs them like self-care, like, you know, beard balm, deodorant. Like this little pack would be nice. You could separate it and put it in here for a guy. And this is $5. Like this. This is a nice set. Where is it? This is a nice set for a guy. Shave gel. This little hat is cute. If you know that, that's their style. What else? Men is hard. Men is hard. Men are hard to shop for. So, oh, this is cute. I don't know what I would use it for, but that's cute. It's a ceramic treat dish. Whoops. Oh, it's a little ornament. I don't even see it. Okay. Oh, like these little houses are cute. Yeah. This is cute. Coco Cafe.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. I don't know why. I just love this. What else? You ready, ma'am? All right, let's go do some shopping. Let's go do some shopping. Ooh, they have these ornaments. Decorate your own. You could do this as a craft right before Christmas. Could be a nice little tradition. You start with your family. There's some yarn right here. You could make a little tassels with these and put them on a chunky blanket. Ooh, these little houses are cute. Should be nice. Yes, ma'am.
You hear?
Oh, I hear it. All right, let's go. Her excitement is.
Oh, no.
Oh, really? Okay, let's go look at some PJs for Christmas.
Hi.
Girl, no.
Oh, no.
It's a no. He's too big.
Oh, no.
He's too big. He's on sale. He saved $20. He was originally $100. He's too big though. We don't have space, mommy.
Oh, no.
He's gonna take over your whole room. We'll see, okay? All right, hop off of him. You're not even into Frozen. She know nothing about Frozen and she's over here wanting. Who the heck is this? I don't know. Get off the. What is this? A donkey? I don't know. What is it? It looks like a donkey, a deer. Get off the confused animal. I'm leaving. Alright, so Jordan wants Nerf gun. Oh, you getting off? Okay. Can we put him back up on the shelf? Help mommy. Oh, he has to go. Oh, that's a big donkey. Okay, she got her fix. Whoa. We just dodged one. Okay, so yes, bud. There's this guy right here. The little it's on sale for $6.39. Yes. Ooh, I like this one. The 70-piece. It's that's Paw Patrol. I don't see a price on this. I'm gonna go check this out because she likes pretend play, so that would be nice for her. It's a Black & Decker. Okay, baby, we'll see. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna see about the Nerf stuff for Jordan and then come back. Okay. So I'm gonna get all 3 boys. That's because I don't want anybody fighting. And then I'm gonna pick up 3 of these for all 3, and then since this is Jordan's situation, I'm gonna get him a big guy. I got so overwhelmed in Target. Now I have to go to Dick's to get my husband's gift. I need wrapping paper because I have no wrapping paper. Don't worry, I'm just going right there. So I'm not buckling her down. It's raining. But Target tried to play me. Like, they tried to play me like I'm an idiot. Like, on Black Friday, they gave me a coupon for 20% off. And they have a deal going right now. If you spend $100, you get $25 off. That's a lot of money. Okay? You hear me? That's a lot of money. So my budget for all the kids was $200, and I'm like, that's, if I use the 20% off the entire total, that's great. That's a lot of money. But if I use the 20% off plus the 25, that's like $50 off. So I'll end up spending less than $100 and something. I'll go up there and it's like $200, $100, and I'm like, no. So I went to customer service. Of course, I held up the line in customer service because I'm gonna get my money. So needless to say, they gave me my $25 off one of them because they're like, you can't combine the coupons. What? Excuse you? You said I could. And then this is how petty she was. After I used the coupon, it dropped me below $100, like $2 below. Instead of giving me the 25% off, she said nothing. So I paid, and I'm just standing there like, something is off. So I went to customer service. He couldn't figure it out. I'm like, I'm not leaving here until I get my $25, or I'm returning all of this stuff because you can't play it, player. Because I went to school. I got a whole degree in accounting. Like, no, baby, give me my money. Give me my money. So he ended up giving me $25 cash because he's like, you know, if we do all of this, refund, you pay again, the bank won't hold on, blah, blah, blah. I was like, just give me the cash. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. That's fine. So I ended up paying like $220-ish out of pocket, and then he gave me $25 back because I bought stuff that was like non-toy items. So I bought a pajama for myself. I could only find PJs for me. I can find it for the other kids. So I'm gonna go buy hubby's gift at Dick's because he's a dick. Psych. And then head on home. We're supposed to go grocery shopping later, but the weather ain't nice out here. So, right, sweetness? You're a whole cuteness just going on right there. So I just want to go home and lay in my bed right now. I'm a whole mood going on these days. Like, I'm just like, and it's just freaky out here. People just staring at me and throwing stuff in my car. I'm just like, Don't rob me, please. I don't have it. I don't have it. Just, I don't have it. Keep going, okay? This year is a better year for us than last year, because last year we were just scraping pennies to get stuff after hubby transitioned at his job and stuff. So this year we're coming out of the old year into the new year just financially stable. What? Honey, when I said we're financially stable this year, I said we're financially, like, all our bills are paid. Money in the savings, like, baby. That's all I want for Christmas, is to be financially stable. My girl got gum right here. Anyways, I go got Jaxson and catch up with her later. Close your mouth. So I'm in Dick's, and I'm thinking of getting hubby this Yeti cup. It's 35 bucks, and I got him a little Nike hoodie, and I think he has, like, I budgeted $100 for him because he doesn't really like gifts. He don't like when I spend money on him. But I'm gonna see if I can find something else in here and be done with him. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna like this, but I don't know what color. They have blue, purple. I think this is the best color because he's a black person. He likes black. So I think I'm gonna get him black one and this hoodie, and then I have a bunch of coupon here. I have $10 off 50, but I think I want to combine and save $20. You know, I want to separate and save 20 and stuff his stocking with stuff. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get me some McDonald's. It's raining like cray. Hold on. Y'all gonna have to sit while I order.
Can I help you?
Hi, can I have a Happy Meal chicken nugget?
Apple slice of frozen yogurt.
Frozen yogurt.
That's right.
Icy orange.
Any sauce?
No.
Okay.
Can I get a medium coffee, 5 and 5?
Okay.
That's it.
465. First window, please.
All right. So, Madison fell asleep. I got her a Happy Meal, but she fell asleep even before I got to the drive-thru. She was gone. So, I'm eating a Kit Kat. I love Kit Kat. I know how long I had that Kit Kat in here. And I knew it would come in handy because I'm like, that's a rescue. I didn't bring any lunch. I wasn't planning on staying out this long. But I figured I got out of Dick's and it was like 12 o'clock. So I'm like, it makes no sense going home for like 2 hours. So I went to Lowe's to get my father-in-law's gift. And I still have my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law to shop for. I don't know what to get them. And what else? So by the time I got done, it's 12:53 now, so I have 1 entire hour to go to kill. So I'm just gonna sit here in the car and wait for her to nap and finish my let me turn on this radio before I get copyright, because YouTube be tripping. The other day they sent me a claim stating they heard something in the background and they want money. So the copyrights wants the whatever revenue I make on my video, they want it. Excuse you? Where were you when I was editing videos? Excuse you? So I just went to McDonald's and I got just a coffee, a medium coffee, 5 and 5. And yeah, that's it. I didn't want anything on the menu. Nothing looked appetizing, because I'm like, if you eat it, it's just gonna make you feel guilty, and I don't like feeling guilty, especially that I'm down to 195, and my goal is to be out of the 190s by the end of December. So I can't be doing anything to mess up and get back up into the 200s, because yeah, homegirl here got goals, you know what I mean? I need my entire closet system that I'm working so hard for, because y'all just don't know Rob. Rob is just, Rob holds on to his money and he spends it wisely. And if he thinks it's not worth it, and he says, okay, this is what you gotta do to earn it, hey. A lot of people might be like, well, that's kind of cruel. Well, so is sitting up in someone's house and just spending everything that they bring in. You know, I'm not the type to be like, of course I could buy what I want because I do bring in income. I could just be like, hey, you covered this bill. And no, but I asked him and he was like, because he's going to use it too. You know, so I was like, let me ask him and see. So he was like, get down to 170, homegirl, and it's yours. And plus, I think he did it because he knows that I was trying to lose weight and I gave up. And this is just his way of motivating me back to getting started. And I did. And, you know, I kind of lost sight of who I was and who I am and what I was going for and all that. So now that I'm working back to my normal, now that I'm working towards my, you know, pre-pregnancy weight, I'm excited to see how low I can get and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. Guys, I'm horrible at vlogging. Been home. It's Yo-Yo Friday. It's cold. Got home, sorted all the gifts because I had gifts from my budget this time around. Like, this is it for Christmas. I'm done. But prior to that, I was like collecting things, and I gave stuff away for birthdays and stuff like that. So I had to go through and see what I had already stored up and combine with what I had today. And I realized that one kid still has far less than all the other. But I'm like, you know what? I don't care anymore. I don't care. At this point, it's not even about being fair, even whatever. I'm done. I am done. My budget is stretched to the max. And one thing with Rob, once he gets involved with the finance, trust me, that homeboy stays down to the penny. Down to the penny. He has to know where it's going. So I can't go out and sneak a little gift. No, it's done. Homeboy said 200, and 200 it was. I went over a little bit, which put me over in someone else's category, but I was able to, you know, snatch some stuff up for buy one get one free. So two people with one stone. But I'm done. The husband is done shop for. I'm gonna do a what I got my kids for Christmas video, if I can get that done without them knowing what it is that I bought them, because it's a 5-bedroom house. And yeah, where am I going to store these kids while I record? So hopefully I can get that out. Rob is downstairs working out. I probably should go join him. It's Yo-Yo Friday, so there's no dinners going on here. Like, stove is clean. There's no dinner going on here. You make a sandwich, whatever, you oatmeal, whatever. But it's yo on your own. Me, I want to drink some coffee because I feel like I'm going to crash soon. And it's only 5:49 and it's dark as all get out outside. 5:49 and it's dark. Probably should go close out my blinds and stuff. Oh, we have new neighbor. We had one house that was on the market for almost a year. And the little one over here, she was like the first all up in the people's face. I'm like, something is wrong with you. Like, give the people time to change their dirty drawers. Just give them a second to change their dirty drawers a couple times before you all up in their Kool-Aid. Like, you know, over there with her open sore and everything. You just popped out a baby, homegirl. Go sit down and nurse your wound. Oh, I can't. But me personally, I don't want nothing to do with these folks. I just feel like they're tainted now. Like, she just went up there and all in their face. Like, mind you, they just closed, like, what, 2 days ago? They're not even moved in yet. This is how trifling this person is. They're not even moved in and she's all in their face. Like, ugh. Like, I just wish they knew the type of person she is and just, like, run. Not even walk, but run. Sprint.
Hi.
Far away from this. Hey, baby.
Hi.
But she just popped out a baby. Go sit down somewhere and change your pad or something. I don't know. But anyways, people, this is it for tonight's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys. I'm doing really good. I put out a video so far since Vlogmas start every single day. And hey. Yeah, Vlogmas is working for me. I still have some content that I promised you guys, but I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it done. And anyways, let me stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.